And hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. So let's just... Okay, so today we're going to be practicing the basic input. I was going to do variables, but then I saw that the book was doing it in chapter 2, which I feel isn't really a good way of doing it, but we're following the book, so we'll be doing it in chapter 2. So what we have here is 3 labels, 2 just normal labels with captions of first name and surname. They have no actual name, as you can see. Then an output, which is LBL output, which is also a label. Then 2 edits, which is EDT name and EDT surname, with 1 button called BTN display. So what's going to happen is we are going to insert our name here, insert our surname here, and when we click on this button, this should be the name and surname that we inserted. Basically being hello with the name and in the surname, because we want to greet them. So let's open up our button and let's start. So we don't have variables, so it's going to be a little bit more effort than it has to be, but when they click on the button, LBL, or it's actually a little bit less when you think about it, but anyways, LBL output dot caption becomes. Now this input is really bad, considering that we're not working with variables, but hopefully you guys will get it. So the first input, or let's first make it hello, and then just remember the space needs to be here because we want the space between the hello and the name, plus, and this is where we get our first input. So it was edit name, as you remember, this is called EDT name. So oh my gosh, so we're going to go EDT name, but wait, let's just first keep like that. Now if we run it, you see we get an error because EDT name is not a string, it is an object, because these are objects. So we need to get the text inside of these objects because they return text. So it's EDT name.text. Once you learn some JavaScript, this will look really easy, but it should look easy for right now. So you get the object and then you return the text inside of the object. So let's run it now. Now if you just insert some random things, hello, and then the name. See, it works perfectly. Now let's get the output of the surname. So we're going to create a space, so there's a space between the name and the surname, and then go EDT surname.text. Now when we run it, I will put in, let's just go neon strike. So hello neon strike. This isn't completely in the center, but that will be okay. Now as you can see, that is the basic output that you get, or input that you get, excuse me. So in the next video we'll be covering basic integer inputs along with string inputs and basic outputs combined. So yeah, you better be prepared for that one, eh? Thank you all for watching. See you all in the next video.